Hello guys, this is how to make Cheetos with Jaxon Games! Then you chase after the little crap and put them in a bag.
I'm gonna get you on my backpack!
We got them. Then you take them out of the bag and freaking kill him. Well, he dead. And then you cook his goofy orange ass. And then you push him into the bag and he's pretty much ready to go.
Reese's Puffs! Why'd you leave my brother? Why'd you leave my brother?
Bro, he's so big, bro.
Why did you leave my brother?
Because he was so yummy. I had to. He was so
So
good.
what if I eat you? What if I eat